Welcome back. So let's go ahead and create another method about the widget bill. Okay, so in here it is going to be feature type. So in here feature, and then we will make this private. Okay, so in here underscore, and then we say update username. Okay, it's going to be simply for updating the username, and the other one was just updating the profile name on existing post. Okay, remember that. So just don't get confused in that. Let's go ahead in here braces, and this will be asynchronous curly braces. Take this down. So right to this specific method we're going to simply just pass the old user name, okay, like we did for the previous one method. Okay, in here old username, simply pass that, and also the old phone number in here. We're gonna simply just get it right in here and pass it, as you guys can see right above in here, old username and old phone number. Okay, so let's get it down in here. Back again. First we will say await, since it's asynchronous, so in here we will say await first, and then we say firebase in here, Firestore, and then let's go ahead create the instance right toward the collection of a user. Right there we will simply just update the username and also their specific number. So in here the key name must be same, guys, remember, users. Okay, and then we say .doc, get this down from here, and in here we will say firebase auth. We just go with that one, and then in here instance, let's create it for the current user with the specific UID. Okay, and now what we will do, we will simply say .update in here curly braces, write it and semicolon, take this down from here. Now simply in here what we will do, we will just update the username and their phone number, as I told you already. So first provide the key name, guys. Okay, as we are updating that, writing the collection of user, writing the Firebase Firestore, it is gonna just get and update there. So in here first provide the key name, so it will get it right then. So in here old username that the user will enter. Okay, let me just show you right in here that specific method. Okay, old username and old phone number. So in here, as you guys can see, where there we go, the initial value for this text field is old username. So whenever the user will update their name, it's going to be right on change, as I explained this right in the previous videos, guys. Okay, remember that. So it's going to be simply writing this value and writing this state, so it will just change the result dynamically and assign that update name that the user enter. Okay, it will just assign it right toward this specific old username. So that's why in here we use that. Okay, so it's going to be simply the update name that the user will enter right in the text field, as I show you above there, and just assign it to this username right in the Firebase Firestore, right in the collection of users, as we did already, like in this specific method also. Okay, so it will just assign it right in here, but this time it will be for the collection items. Now back again to the other method which we are working on. Now let's go ahead and here provide the key name first, guys. So in here username, and below that in here you will say user number, and then we just have to have that old phone number. So it's gonna simply just get and assign that to the specific user number right in the Firebase Firestore, right in the collection of a user. As you guys can see, we're creating that instance in here for that specific current user with the specific UID. Okay, you guys can see document, and then simply we just update it. So I hope you get the idea now, and right from the next video we will simply use that method, that one, and also that one right in the on-price event of update, as you guys can see right in here. So we will end this video right in here, and right on the next one you will be working right on this specific list view widget dot. So see ya.